Hello traders, and welcome to the VantagePoint Trading Journal for today, Thursday, October 18th, 2018. How you doing? Hope your week's going well. Well, we're going to show you how VantagePoint has been forecasting market movements and show you what you need to pay attention to. I am focused on Macy's today, ticker M. What I am looking at is we've been obviously in this bearish channel for the last month at the very least. We did put in a low, and that low failed. Basically could not hold that, and we got the bearish crossover again with this dark blue line crossing from above to below the black simple moving average. So that we have the predictive range lower than yesterday's actual range, and we have our neural index going from the green to the red. All three of those things are telling me that I want to be bearish. Now, there's two ways to look at this. You can look at it as in an active sort of way and buy a debit put spread. I'm looking at this and I'm going to sell a call spread, a credit call spread. So what I'm going to look to do is I'm going to look at the October 26th, again in Macy's, ticker symbol M, October 26th, 32 half, 33.5 half call spread. I want to sell for 35 cents. Most I can get out of this trade is 35 cents, whatever I collect in premium. What I risk is the width of the spread less the premium that I collect. $1 less 35 cents is 65 cents. So I'm risking 65 to gain 35. That gives me a risk to reward ratio of 1.86 to 1. Not bad having to hold it for just a little bit more than a week. I want to give you a little bit of a recap on something that we did last week in Mosaic, ticker symbol MOS. We played this bearish indication here, and we bought a put spread for 35 cents. Specifically, we bought the November 2nd weekly expiration 30 half 32 put spread. We bought it for 35 cents. As you can see, we basically traded sideways for the week, but our spread did hold up. But we also see that we had some bullish indicators that came in here, specifically the crossovers that came in, and we had a crossover earlier in the week on the short side of things. Essentially what happened is nothing, and so we decided to get out of the spread, and we actually lost a couple cents. It was specifically 2 cents. The important thing here is to learn a lesson with your risk management. Do not force trades that aren't working. Do not say that you hope or you know or whatever. If it's not working, it's not working. Cut bait and put your money, effort, time, everything else towards something that's going to make you more money. Don't sit there and force it just because you got in there. All right, so that's the recap for this week. I hope you guys have had a great week and are looking forward to a fantastic weekend. I will catch up with you early next week. Thank you very much.